Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss numericals of second chapter of partnership. Chapter name is changing in profit sharing ratio among the existing partners. In this chapter we are going to cover some numericals. So let's begin. Question number 1A of your textbook. Question is X and Y were partners in a firm sharing profits in the ratio of 5:3. With effect from 1st April 2019, they agreed to share profits equally. Calculate the individual partners' gain or sacrifice due to change in the ratio. According to instruction of question, old ratio of partners is 5:3 and new ratio is equally. So by the formula we will able to find out easily who is sacrificer of share and who is gainer of share. So old ratio of X and Y 5/8, 3/8, new ratio equally 1/2, 1/2. Sacrificing ratio equal to old ratio minus new ratio. For X 5/8 minus 1/2. After then 1/8 sacrificed by X. For Y 3/8 minus 1/2. 1/8 gained by Y. B, A and B were in partnership sharing profits and loss equally with effect from 1st April 2019. They agreed to share profits in the ratio of 4:3. Calculate the individual partners' gain or sacrifice due to change in ratio. By the same procedure, we can solve old ratio of A and B, half of new ratio of A and B, 4/7, 3/7. For A, old ratio minus new ratio equal to 1/14 will be gained by A, share gained by A. For B, old ratio 1/2 minus new ratio 3/7 equal to 1/14 sacrificed by B. Next question we will discuss question number 5 of your textbook. Question number 5 is A, B and C are partners in a firm sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:1. They decided to take D into partnership for 1/4 share on 1st April 2017. For this purpose, goodwill is to be valued at 3 times the average annual profits of the previous 4 or 5 years, whichever is higher. The agreed profits for goodwill purpose of the past 5 years are as follows. Profits given ending year 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, this amount. According to instruction of question, first of all we find out average profit on the basis of preceding 4 years profit, on the average profit on the basis preceding 5 years of the profits. So first of all, based on 4 years profit, 14, 15, 16, 17, we will take year 14, 15, 16, 17. Total profit will be 5,80,000 and average profit, total profit upon number of year will be 1,45,000 average profit on the basis of 4 years. On the basis of 5 years profit taken year 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17 profits will, okay, and after then total amount will be 7,10,000. Total profit is 7,10,000. Average profit, total profit upon number of year, average profit will be 1,42,000. So finally that is clear, 4 years average profit is higher than 5 years average profit. Now value of goodwill, actual average profit, that is taken 1,45,000 into number of purchasing year 3, value of goodwill will be 4,35,000. This is answer. After then question number 6. Question number 6. A, B and C are partners sharing profits and losses equally. They agreed to admit D for equal share. For this purpose, goodwill is to be valued at 3 years purchase of average profits of last 5 years, which were as follows. Profit is given for the concerned year. In some year there is loss. On 1st October 2016, a computer costing rupees 40,000 was purchased and debited to office expenses account. on which depreciation is to be charged at the rate of 25% per annum. Calculate the value of goodwill. So in this point, there is capital expenditure. Computer costing is concerned with capital expenditure. So it will be, first of all, it will be reduced from the concerned profit, concerned year profit. After then only depreciation will be allowed on that value. So we will take in the year, the point is concerned from the year 31st March 2017, 1,85,000 plus cost of computer will be taken in profit, and depreciation from that date, from 1st October 2016 to 31st March 2017, depreciation will be 5,000. So finally amount of profit for the year ending 31st March 2017 will be 2,20,000. Total of profit will be 6,10,000, and average profit on that basis of profit 6,10,000 upon 5, 1,22,000. And goodwill equal to average profit into number of purchasing year, 1,22,000 into 3 equal to rupees 3,66,000. This is answer. This is value of goodwill. Thank you.